Okay, I'm back. And hopefully this doesn't like poof again. Um but like I was saying, I forgot when my brother had to go to the bathroom. But oh yeah, saying what I think might have be the problem or the solution. Basically, you have to stay strong, whether you want to or not. Let's just put this over my whole lid. No. No, that looks really bad. Okay, hold on. Let's put concealer on the top. I just want you guys to know that you're loved. I love you guys, even though I don't know you. And I know you'd be like, how do you love a stranger? I might be a bad person. You have your reasons for being a bad person. I'm not saying you should be a bad person, and therefore people are going to love you for being a bad person. But you have your reasons. I have my reasons for doing bad stuff, but that doesn't give me excuse. You know? I'm trying to focus on this. I'll do another thing at another time. Am I gonna do my eyeliner? Am I gonna do my eyeliner? Am I gonna do my eyeliner? I don't know. Mm. Oh, this is. I wish I was taller. No, I don't. No, I don't. I really don't. I'm tall enough. But yeah, let's just do this. And get that glitter out of my face. But I love you guys, and you're going through this for a reason, whether you think so or not. Wow, that was really far. And I know I keep repeating myself. That's just because I don't know what I'm going to talk about next. But, okay, back to. Oh, yeah, I was talking about gender fluidity. I'm gender fluid. It goes with one of my other disorders. I'm really scared to talk about it because I don't know if I'm going to be portrayed differently or not. Wow, why are you like. Wow, why are you. I need my thing. Like, a lot of people don't even watch my videos from my school anymore because I don't go there. But what if it gets out that I have this disorder? You know, I'm gonna say I have different personalities, and I'm gender fluid. I think I'm gender fluid because of this reason. I know I'm gender fluid, but I think I'm gender fluid because of this reason. My personalities aren't all girls. I have DID, and I shouldn't be ashamed of it. I have DID, and I'm proud of it because it shows that I don't know what it shows, but it shows something. It shows that I'm trying to be strong, that I'm working on being strong. And I'm gonna get there someday. I'm gonna be able to call myself strong without hesitating and without making it a joke. And then I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna be full and happy and loving myself. And I can't wait till that day happens. But now I just have to go with it, go with the flow. And when that day happens, you'll know. I'll know. So yeah. Can you please scoot over on my eyes? Why is this working? Is this even working? Yeah, it is. Okay. A little bit more to clean you up. But like I was saying, gender fluidity. I'm gender fluid, and I'm gender fluid because of my personalities. And I think I'm gender fluid because of my personality, because one is a dude, and the dude doesn't like my body, but he's very protective over me. So mess with me, you mess with him. Their names are Glenn, Aurora, Kuma, and Noma. I have 4. Did I say that 3? Because I think I did. I'm sorry. And it's crazy having DID, dissociative identity disorder, or multiple personality disorder. But I love it. I love myself for it. And because it's showing that my brain is trying to protect me. And if I think that no one's trying to protect me, I have myself. And that's all that matters. I don't need anybody else. I don't need a boy. I do need a boy. No, I'm joking. The person that I want to be with, I love him. And I hope he sees this video. And I need him in my life. But I hope that he sees me for me and not my DID personalities. I don't need him in my life, but I really prefer if he was in my life. Because it makes my life better. It makes me happy. It makes my process of getting better faster. Because knowing that I have him and having someone that loves me makes me happy. And if you don't have anybody in your life that makes you happy, I'm here. Talk to me. I'll make you happy. Shoot, I'll change myself. I know this is really unhealthy, but I'll change myself just to satisfy you. That's really unhealthy, but I'm just that willing to make you more happy in your life than I am. That you are now. So, if you need someone to talk to, I'm here. Why isn't this like coming off? It's because it's not like powdered. I'm gonna pack a little bit. Do I need to pack anymore? No, I don't. Alright. Okay, let's take you. Pack you on my lid to make it lighter. I'm currently very focused on my eyebrows. I mean, thingies. Eyelids. Okay, now you're pretty okay. And then I'm also pansexual. I don't even know if I'm pansexual anymore. I mean, I would date anybody. Not because I would date anybody's personality that I like. I would date you if I like you. I don't care if you're a dude. I don't care if you're a girl. I don't care if you're transgender. I don't care if you're gender fluid. I don't care if you don't identify as anything. I don't care if you're a pineapple. No, I care if you're a pineapple, okay? I mean, if you identify as a pineapple and I like your personality, I'm gonna date you. But that's just me. Because I don't care about what's in your pants. I care about you. But that's enough about pansexual. I know this video is hella long, but I just want to know if you guys are gonna be okay. So please DM me on my Instagram. It's _babygirl.nikki, Nikki. I'll put it in the description. I'll put it in this video. Editing unique, put it in the video. If you don't, I'm gonna kick your ass. No, I'm joking. I love you guys, and I hate knowing that people are not okay, because I'm not okay, and it's okay. Wow, this is actually really real glitter, and I hate knowing that people aren't okay. Why did I do that? This is a lot of makeup. Glitter. I just don't know anymore, like, about life. I know I'm very off topic all the time, like going from one subject to subject, but that's a symptom of DID itself. DID is the DID. Sorry, that's a symptom of DID. You get dissociated. I'm not getting dissociated. I don't know if I'm getting dissociated right now, but you switch personalities. It's basically, it can be voluntary. I don't think it can be voluntary because I can't control it. But I'll do another video on DID. So yeah, I shouldn't be in shape. Oh yeah, I broke one of my nails, and I just put them on today. Very focused. Very focused. Flare that out. And clean it up with some concealer. I want to look good for myself. Because that's important. That's very important. To look good for yourself. If you want to look like a bum and you think you look good that day, go ahead, sweetie. Because that's all that matters. Your opinion is what matters. And I just got some. I don't care. I think Kuma's out right now. I think she's been out this whole video. I think I'm co-conscious. I think she's been out this whole video because I've been very confident. I'm talking now, by the way. Come on. I don't know. I don't know when one's out. Sometimes. That was very gross on camera. I just went boop. But I had a hair in my nose. I'm sorry. Eyeliner? No eyeliner. Because I'm going to mess that up. Like, I should do an eyeliner before. I'm going to fix this. Okay, Nico, okay, I see you. Now to, got it. To do that. And we'll close into the eye. I don't know what to say, to talk about. This video is kind of boring, and I know. It is. There, boom. And blend this out. Let's make that actually my color. A little bit of my color. I don't think that looks good. But we're gonna blend this out. Blend this out. And I think that's it. Now for the lipstick. I'm gonna put this bright pink color on the inside. I can't see my lips, so I'm gonna have to stand on my tippy toes. I'm gonna put that in the center and like around center. I mean like up here. And I'm just gonna move it in. Is that on my? Yes, it is. My lips are dry, so don't judge me on that one. And then darken it with this lipstick. If I do my hair, I probably won't because I can't really do anything to it without getting it wet. That's a lot of lipstick. Like a lot. So I'm gonna take some off. Ooh, that's dark. Oh, the camera didn't pick that up. But I don't know what else to talk about. I think I talked about everything I wanted to talk about. Ow, that hurt. I'm just taking some of this off. Especially under dry skin here. And this stains your lip, so that's good. And I think I'm gonna put some gloss on it, so I'll be right back. Don't you dare fall.